Hi everyone, welcome to today's learning. So today we are going to learn about what are types of machine learning. So mainly there are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So before going to learn what is supervised and what is unsupervised and what is reinforcement learning, we have to know about labeled data and unlabeled data. Labeled data is nothing but if the dataset contains the target variable or the output variable, then it is called a labeled dataset. An unlabeled dataset is the dataset which does not contain the target variable or the output variable. So we'll see the type of machine learning, supervised learning. Supervised learning is the type of machine learning in which machines are trained using labeled data. Like the models or algorithms are trained using the dataset which contains both input and output parameters. The training happens like the model learns about each type of label or fields in the data and try to predict the output. Once the training is completed, the model is tested using the test data. In diagram we can see we have trained dataset and test dataset. The model learns from trained dataset which contains input parameters and try to predict the output parameter. Then we pass the test data to the model prediction to get the actual output. Supervised learning categorized into two different types. So these types are defined based on the output feature that we are going to predict. If the output feature that we are predicting is continuous in nature, then we use regression algorithms. If the output feature contains categorical values like yes or no, true or false, or male or female, then we use classification algorithms. We'll go through in detail in the upcoming videos. Next, we'll see what is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning in which machines are trained using unlabeled data. So in these algorithms, models itself find the hidden patterns and identifies the insights from the given data. The data is unlabeled, which means which may be of type image, audio, video, or even it may be a tabular columns but without having any output parameters. Unsupervised learning helps in creating clusters of data and real-time analysis. So we can see in the diagram we have a data set which contains the only the features, and the model it will pass this data into the model, and the model itself try to predict the hidden patterns in the data set, and it creates two clusters, cluster 1 and cluster 2. Basically it created like the four wheels and two wheelers are two different clusters it got created. So unsupervised learning also categorized into two types like clustering and association. Clustering is grouping the most similarity objects, and the other similar objects are grouped into another one. And association is used to find the relationship between variables. It determines a set of items that occur together in the dataset. So we'll see the third type of machine learning, that's reinforcement learning. So according to Wiki, reinforcement learning is an area of machine learning concerned with how intelligent agents ought to take actions in an environment in order to maximize the notion of cumulative reward. What is actions? What is reward? We learn in detail in the upcoming videos. I haven't gone deep into the reinforcement learning. For now, we can understand the reinforcement learning is basically for learning for purpose like robotics or aircraft control or machine learning or data processing and other aspects. To summarize, choosing the right approach depends on the structure and volume of data and what is the use case. Identify data whether it is labeled or unlabeled and define our goals. Handling large amount of data is challenging in supervised, but it's highly accurate. Unsupervised can handle large amount of data but higher risk of inaccuracy. And in the other hand, reinforcement mainly used in the robotics and motion control. That's all for today guys. Thanks for watching the video.